Visible love. For once, I want to be appreciated the first time around, not later with regret lurking in the head of the person who should have held my hand tighter instead of letting me slip away. For once, I want to be celebrated in each minute that I spend with who I believe is my person, and he cannot stop putting efforts to make sure that I feel cared for, loved, valued, appreciated, and who loves me in my love languages, not trying to breadcrumb me with his attention as he finds suitable, because playing such games would be a foolery that will make him lose someone so precious as me. For once, I want my man to give me all the love, not just through words but actions. I want reciprocal. I want to see him cross oceans to see me, even if only for 5 minutes, and not because of any kind of pressure or expectation, but solely because he has genuine love for me, because he wants to take care of me and watch me being taken care of in person, placing me on his lap, my head closer to his chest, hearing his heartbeat, caressing my hair, admiring me, taking lead, being gentle with me, protecting me from verbal, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual harm. I want a love so sure that there remains no space for doubts, where everything is provided for before I ask. I love that kind of love, where I think of him and he calls instantly, where even if he is not a believer, he still prays for me. A love where he cannot resist wanting to stay close to me, provide for me, support me, care for me all the time, because it makes him happy from within. The minute I call him, he picks it up and we talk, giggling endlessly. A love where I motivate him to earn immense amount of money so that he can build our future together rapidly, as he cannot fathom the thought of me living away from him. I know that this love is present around me, with me. I want it to show up all the time, visibly.